It's an ash tree log, and we're going to find out what we've got inside, what we've got to watch for. There's a split on the back there, so I'm going to aim that at the back of the carving, I reckon. Yeah. We've got a fault line in the back there, which we spotted earlier. There's some rock there, so we've got to go deeper to get rid of that. You can see that. So that's the chin line, bottom of the nose, that's the round about the brow line, hairline, top of head. Okay, I want the chin line to come round about there. That's about the ear. That's about the halfway, just over halfway. We've got everything round about where we're going to need it. We might have to work with some detailing tools to get closer there, because we don't want to ruin everything. Just got to put that chin disc, get that sorted out, and obviously the mouth there, I don't know what the technical term is, but it's like it comes out towards the lips and goes back in just before the chin. Yeah, there she is. She's coming along. Got to even up the eyebrows obviously, but they're not in place. That's just a guesstimate. Open it up. Open it up. Okay. Heiðr. She's an ash tree log, probably 4 foot tall, definitely some 14 inches wide, and the timber is actually denser than oak, so it's hardwood obviously, and a lot heavier. The grain, if you look on this, the grain is amazing because it's matched around some of the features. If you look at the lips there and the grain pattern, the way it goes around it, and the nostrils, and even the centre of the nose there, as well as the grain, the way it moves across the cheekbones, and even when you look up the lines across the forehead, they kind of match. I hope you enjoyed the video of Heiðr, the Norse witch, and my carving. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.